is up, everybody? So today is a beautiful day and I am off, so I'm gonna do a couple things to the car today. I've been waiting for a long time to change out the tires on the front of the Supra there. They're a little bald. They're really bald, and I have a spare of set rims and tires in the garage that should fit on there. They're 18s right now on the Supra. They are 225 40 18s. I got a spare set of 235 40 18s that we're gonna put on there, so we're just gonna go ahead and do that and then maybe get an alignment done. So thanks again for watching, stay tuned, and we will do a time-lapse video. Peace.
Young son, come sat on me, yeah. Hop out me like 10, but then that shit curled up on me. Like, baby, I been all that hoe, there ain't no way I'm feeling you. It's clear that you don't like how I get high to reach my pinnacle. I'm capable of functioning, if not rolling off medical. I need a tool, ease the stress, judge and the lawyer won't put me through. Let go, one day I know I'll be okay. No more geeking, rolling with stones, just trying to get paid. While drenching these designers, custom speak to me Italian, but fucking name my papal state. I'm born and raised Canadian, and I wonder if the world is still cold. I just love that I can't feel it no more. Baby, I've been numb. I wonder if I ever feel your peace, but at least when I get numb. Got her face all numb, snorting that junk. Whatever floats a boat, make it loose, I have fun. Make a pot that drop that pause that'll make my mans won't spend a little profit, but nonchalant, some niggas won't plot. Try to bottle block me like a Kim Olajuwon, better want your man, they don't want no smoke. My dogs, bulldogs, they'll get at your throat, and I hope these hoes rob me cold. I made that Marlene's routine, but it seems only way that she get on her knees. If I keep the drugs coming in, I treat her like fiends, guess it means that the murky water, her was pouring that. She wanna hang with me like an ornament, been fly like Peter Pan. If I plan to land, really might need coordinates. I wonder if the world is still cold. I just love that I can't feel it no more. Baby, I've been numb. I wonder if I ever feel your peace, but at least when I get numb, I get let you lie to me, tell me that you love me. If it means just drop it low and bring it back and have it dumping on me, ain't a lot.
Alright, so here we are at Fit Auto Space. They are super cheap and they do a good job. I just need to take the tires off the rim, so I just gotta demount them and switch them around so that way I can get some new rubber on the Supra. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the rims, or the tires. Set of rims here with some pretty good tread left on the tires there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those tires on these rims here. As you can see, they are super bald. I think the one side there, yeah, wire's almost gonna be popping out, so we're gonna go ahead and change those out. So here we go. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and drive back of the building there, and he is gonna take the tires in. So here we go. There's another nice Tacoma right in front of me. Sick. Park parallel?
Yeah. Okay.
Huh? I said over here behind the truck.
Okay.
Ask him where?
Behind the truck.
Tires out of the truck. Let's go check them out. So I got these ones here off of Kijiji. they're plastic dips, so I'm gonna go ahead and refinish those. And then these ones come off the Supra. I'm gonna put these tires onto those rims. So make sure you guys come check out Fit Auto Space. It is on 137th and I think 149th Street. Yeah, just by behind the Shell there. They do some good shit.
Watching murky water keep pouring in. Cause my current cars I left forward in. If my nigga chin, they rather walk within. Cause my bad attitude on Vicodins. I got 5% of my mind left. Cause the past few nights I got no rest. Stuck aboard expeditions and Tauruses. In the hopes I be filling up banks. Story of Hillary, what are you telling me? I could get zealous if I take up therapy. Every memory fade. Break it the fuck out my face. I could never engrave it. Just saying this combo vibe in my dope. Ay, all the stressful nights on my own. Ay, all the pills I shoved down my throat. Been a long way, I'm drawn down, too far gone. Nah, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Yeah, I'm gonna be, watch me be, yeah, I'm gonna be okay. And bet that it's DOA. Hey, the plug don't run my way. When you raised in a 6-1 trade, niggas teach you be a 7-day the voodoo they play. Nah, I don't want no more. Since I can't feel my face, but these shades of me covered with this spot on my eyes. Baby, that shit is just a typical night in the life of an average habit.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and take the car off the ramps or the 2x4s. There you are. And we're gonna turn the wheel and see if the tires rub, because I did go up with a wider tire there. And I am sitting pretty low, so we're just gonna back this thing up a little bit. Fucking short shifter. Whoops. Awesome. Now, talk about tight. Hey, you come here real quick? You want to turn the steering wheel for me? So I just got these China brand tires, came from the old rims. Yeah, just turn the... She is sitting low. Oh yeah, keep going. Keep going. Keep spinning. Oh yeah, we're right in the wheelhouse. Turn it the other way. Keep turning. Sit. Oh, Robin. I will rub if I hit a bump though, but we're gonna go ahead and adjust those curves out. Go ahead and take a look at this side here. Woo! So we are clear. All right, we're gonna go ahead and take this car out for a drive. See how she feels. Sick. Feels pretty nice with these new tires. I'm gonna see if I can do this with one hand. Don't tell anybody though. Just gonna wait for traffic to fucking fuck off. Here we go. That was fun. Better. Gauges are working proper. Still have to adjust my boost on this car. Oh yeah, feels way better. Stoked. Alright, we're gonna end this video right here and we'll see you back at the house. Peace. Alright, so all in all, car drove nice. Feels way better with those with that new tread on those rims. Now I just got to get a alignment and I got to fix my ride height because I am sitting pretty low. So, last feet. See what's going on over here. What are you doing, Dad?
Fixing my tail light.
Tail light resto. Maybe I should do a different video for this. Next up are these rims, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these rims fixed up and refinished. I don't know what color I'm gonna paint them yet, but yeah, maybe leave me a comment and let me know what color I should paint these rims. These are just gonna be probably a spare set just to kick around in and whatnot. So
It's gonna be like this.
hey, don't show them. Different video. Anyways, thanks again for watching. That is it for today. Definitely appreciate everyone. Definitely appreciate everyone subscribing to us and everything like that. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for any new followers. Anyways, peace out. Have fun. We'll see you later. Keep doing what you want to do. Peace.
I see them rolling while I'm lurking, so by Tuesday I be gone. These mighty counts wanna knock me faded, twisted in my zone. I carry on, low as dirt to keep me cool, collect it calm. I carry on, I'm planning work, I pack it, stuffed and carry on. I see them rolling while I'm lurking, so by Tuesday I be gone. These mighty